Yesterday, your problems belong to someone else. Yesterday, you said you couldn't do it all by yourself. Yesterday, you woke up and decided I won't go to work. I think my boss is hating me. He's such a jerk. Yesterday, you hit the post up. You said I got nothing but some time. Yesterday, you said, hey man, I feel like getting blind. Yesterday, you blamed the preacher, teacher, family.
Hello, this is Janet M. Taylor, better known as Organizer Janet, and you're going to get a behind-the-scenes look at Closet and Storage Concepts and the systems that they've created for my clients to help them organize their homes as well as their offices. Above storage is great for items that you use seasonally or occasionally, and of course, beneath that are wonderful slanted shelves for your shoes so you can see them and they're visible yet organized. And then beneath that are wonderful sections. You can have a nice section for your jewelry, your rings, your watches, etc. And then another section could be possibly for your socks, your hosiery, or other smaller items. And a larger section could be for your workout gear. And of course, it slides in and it slides out and it's sectioned. So one side could be tops, one side could be bottoms. And in the last section, which is my favorite, is the bag, which you put all your dirty laundry in. You take those handles, you either take your clothes to the laundry room or pop them in your car for the cleaners. And of course, these are all the different sections you can get customized in your closet with Closet and Storage Concepts. And in addition to these sections, you also have to have a section to hang your clothes as well. And they offer options. Of course, maybe you just got the shirts and the skirts and the separates. There's an option for that. But maybe you got suits and gowns and things of that nature as well as dresses. So, of course, again, those closets are customized to meet your needs, not only your hanging needs, but also your needs for storage, just in case you don't have a dresser outside in your bedroom. And of course, if you need additional shelving for other items as well. So again, Closet and Storage Concepts, customized to meet your needs. I hope you've enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at what Closet and Storage Concepts can do for you. You can reach me directly at www.janetmtaylor.com. And until next time, have a clutter-free day.